Morning, my buntag, everyone. I'm sharing you my CVS coupon this week, and for those who loves saving money by using coupon, so this video is for you. Let's start. Okay, so the first one is this 1 liter Crest mouthwash. It was on sale for let's see, this one, 4.79, and when you buy one, you will get $3 back. So this is the one I got, $3 back. So it's like, so 4.79 minus 3, it's 1.79. And there is a $1 coupon that I use, so that makes this 79 cents for 1 liter. Okay. The next is this Revlon clippers or nail cutter. So the price is the last one. That is $3.89. So $3.89, and I got $4 coupon for Revlon. So that makes this free this week. Okay. And the next item I got is this Almay lipstick. What color is that? I don't know. I haven't used this, but I'm couponing also. Aside sa ipadala na ko siya sa Pilipinas, I'm also trying to accumulate things for Christmas basket. So this will be a good way to start. So ang price niya is $7.99. Mahal, di ba? $7.99. I had na ako'y coupon nga $3 Almay, and there was a coupon at CVS. If I spend 12, it's gonna be $3 off, and another coupon of $5 if I buy 2. So that was 5 plus 3, 8 plus 3, a total of $12 coupon. So this is $7.99. See that, guys? The second one and the third one, $7.99, right? So $7.99 and minus times 2, and then minus 12 sa coupon. And if I spend 12, which I did because that is $7.99 times 2, more than 12 na, di ba? So I got back $4. Okay? So for everything, kani silang tulo, and with all, these are the coupons, guys. So muna siya mga coupon na deduct. Okay, see this one? So the total of everything was $24.66. And minus all that coupon, kana sila tanan. So the total we paid is 77 cents. Plus the Missouri tax. So I paid 83 cents for all these 4 items. We paid 83 cents, and we got back $7 back. So it's like we're making money, di ba? So we got $7 back. So these are CVS money. So for my next couponing shopping, I'm gonna use this to pay for my next transaction. So that was a great deal for me. And as I've said, this will go to my box, Philippine box, and this might go to my Christmas basket. Or ano na din, box na rin for the Philippines kung maka-accumulate daghan. So those are my savings this week, and I'm ready. I'm preparing all my coupon again today to go back in the store and use and spend this $7. So that's how easy it is. Okay, so last year I had a lot of lipsticks, guys. daghan kay kog lipstick na naipon. I sent it to the Philippines, and then my sister was like giving it to her wherever she go, like if she buy medicine from our parents in a sa butika, tagaan niya ang mga cashier, or bisag asa siya moadto, let's say a mall, a butika, or Luiler, anywhere nga iyang ipanghatag sa mga cashier, and they were so happy. Because last time I went there, mahal kay mga lipstick sa Philippines. I mean, I don't use a lot of lipsticks, pero I know, it's a great gift to the women out there. Diba? So, for you, all my friends, how do you save money? How do you, I don't know if we have coupons, if we can use coupons in the Philippines, pero I don't know, let me know kung naapoy naapoy mga coupon nga pwedeng nga gi-honor or accept sa mga grocery store. So, that is our saving, and I like shopping a lot. I guess all women do, di ba? But I also like to save money. So, this is one way of saving money, at the same time giving gifts to everybody. We like to share our gifts. So that's it. That's all for today. And look at, I'm just gonna show you. Ang among earring nga kauban ako is gikapoy. Prada, say hi to my friends. Pooh. Her name is Prada. Her mother just show up one day in our door, and then we adopted her, and then turned out she was pregnant, and she had, after like a week or two, she got 6 kittens, and then we were able to give away 5, and si Prada ang nabilin. Prada! Okay, that's it for today, guys. Salamat, and wherever you are, amping, and thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!